4.8, Great Lake Taupo Hockey Club. Tina.
Yeah, I'll take the report as read, and I've got Robin Harrison, who's the chairperson, and Paul Wilson, who's the treasurer, here behind me if there's any questions that they might be able to assist with.
Right. Any questions? Yes, Councillor Cousins.
Yeah, I just have one question. I haven't been up there, I haven't seen it, but how much is open to the public? This is here, there's a small amount that's open to the public. How much?
I'm not sure.
The gym itself, we keep it locked, just for security purposes. But yeah.
It says part of here, it says part of it's open to the public for use. That's what it says in the report.
What is that?
They can hire it.
Public, as in the fully incorporated hockey club, and it's hired out to other hockey organisations like New Zealand Hockey, Midlands Hockey to use as well. So it's not only Taupo Hockey that uses it; it's a facility for anyone affiliated with New Zealand Hockey to use.
All right. Okay. So then I've got the wrong end of the stick because basically I thought it said that was you keep the part open purposely for public use.
No, we have it locked purely for security reasons.
There's been international events there as well in terms of the hockey championship stuff as well. So I guess that's probably what it's referring to more by public.
Right. It's more club based than just open.
Yep.
We are getting more and more requests to use of other sports. In the under-19 rugby was here. They used it to train on for the teams and have booked it again for next year, I believe. So yeah, it's starting to get used a bit more by other sports.
Just a question from me through the chair, please. Just in terms of the program for replacement, obviously it's signalled for now. What's the average life of the turf, and what will you be doing when this comes around again?
The average life, it's normally 10 to 12 years, but we've managed to limp this one along for about 15 years, just by, there was a smaller amount of use when we first put it down, and then we've had a carpet layer that's in the club go and fix it for us by stitching it up and gluing it down, and we've just limped it along. All the turf fees we receive for the turf, we keep aside in a separate account, but it's not enough to replace it at the end of the day. So as this has come around, we've been relying on lotto grants and other grants to replace it. And that's probably all we can do in terms of next time it comes around.
Sure.
Hopefully the cost of putting the turf down keeps coming down. It has come down since the first main.
Yes, technology catches up.
Yeah. So
Okay.
there's only so much we can do.
We have got a levy in the fees, but it's quite minor because otherwise you're just going to price people out of the game, especially the primary school, secondary school age group, which is, if you priced it in, you wouldn't have any members. You price them out of the game, which would be last more see.
I know we've all driven past there at 3 o'clock during the week, and it's packed with children playing. Yeah.
No,
Great.
I have to correct myself. Where I thought I read, we have a spot that is open to the whole Taupo community. It actually reads, we are a sport that is open to the You're not skim read.
And through the chair, can I just remind councillors that this is actually a council asset?
Yeah, but it isn't it?
What we're trying to do here is treat it the same as what we would do with the hockey, the cricket wicket or any other sporting venue that we have.
Through the chair, just following up what Gareth's suggesting, it's a great major asset to our town. I mean, my girls, if I've got a conflict of interest, my girls play hockey on there. So when it first opened back in the early 2000s, so to see the quality of all the players, and we see through Sports Advisory Council, all the kids playing at a higher level. So it's great for the town, great for the sport.
It's a good facility.
Sorry, just one last question from me regards the financial implications, which I guess is a question to the officers, is it's not currently included in the annual plan, but it could be funded from renewals. So if it's funded from renewals, what doesn't happen, or how's that going to work? Help me understand.
Our renewals budget for the parks and reserves we don't actually break it down 100% to each particular park or reserve, because you don't know what the climate's doing and the level of usage and vehicles. But we have just over $2 million a year in our renewals budget for parks and reserves, and there'll be sufficient in it to
take care of this and keep the workflow going. Okay, thank you.
There's an urgent nature.
Good one, Turangi.
So, sorry. Yes.
I'd like to move the suggested resolution, Madam Chair.
Thank you. Right, okay. All those in favour?
Aye.
Aye. Carried.